In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice template in Xero. Quick tutorial. We'll walk through this together on screen so you can follow along in your own Xero account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click to access and manage your invoice templates, so you can keep your branding and layout consistent every time you send an invoice. Start by logging into your Xero account as you normally would. Once you're signed in, look for the Demo Company option at the top of your Xero dashboard. Go ahead and click on Demo Company. Using the demo environment is a great way to practice without affecting any real data or live invoices. It lets you explore and try things out safely so you can get comfortable with the process before making changes in your actual business organization. After you're in the Demo Company, turn your attention to the main navigation bar. There, you'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on Settings. This is where Xero groups all of the key configuration options for your organization, including things like financial settings, chart of accounts, and most importantly for this video, your invoice setup. Getting to know this area will make it much easier to customize Xero to fit how your business works. From the settings page, look for the section related to invoices, then click on Invoice Settings. This is the central place where you control how your invoices look and behave. Here, you'll typically see your existing templates, any default invoice branding you've set up, and options for payment terms and other invoice-related preferences. If you don't see many templates yet, that's fine. We're here to customize things. Once you're on the invoice settings page, move your cursor to the area where your invoice templates are listed. At the top or to the side, you'll see a button or drop-down labeled Options. Click on Options. This menu is where you can usually add a new template, edit an existing one, or sometimes import and export templates, depending on the version and features available in your account. From here, you can choose the specific action you want, such as creating a new template or adjusting your current one. Take your time exploring the options available so you can tailor your invoice layout, logo placement, and any standard text to suit